Hey everybody, it's Jen, and lately I've been on a purse kick, so I wanted to share with you my latest purchase. It's an amazing value, and I also want to tell you a little bit more about the company behind it. So I just got it in the mail, and it is by a company called Love 41. And look at this packaging. This is kind of more of a rustic vibe, more of a rugged feel. And let's open this up. And I've been looking for a purse like this for some time. This is something you might not know about me, but I love handbags. I've always been really into purses ever since I was a kid. So I do actually own quite a few. They're mostly on like the mid-tier end, like a lot of Kate Spade. And if you want, maybe I'll do like a handbag collection video. This channel is going to be going more into the fashion beauty segment, home stuff. So if that's what you're all about, you're welcome to join me here and subscribe to this channel. So let's open it up here. The price of this bag is incredible, and that's really why I wanted to showcase this. So this purse is called the Koroha Crossbody. It's a fairly small bag, and it's meant more for just your phone and a few essentials, and the price is currently $69. It's constructed of full grain leather, and it's really hard to find anything with that quality of leather. That's one of the best leathers to get. It does come with this strap, which looks like it is adjustable, I believe. Yeah, the quality is beautiful. I got it in the color Chestnut, which is my favorite color out of all of the Love 41 and Saddleback products. Saddleback is really the parent company behind Love 41. And one thing about this company is they tend not to have a lot of breakable parts. Some of the bags do have zippers, none of the Saddleback bags do. Check out the inside here. Look at this beautiful leather. So it's pretty handy just for your phone and a couple other essentials. You could put a card holder in here. It has a front pocket here, so you could put more stuff, like maybe you have your driver's license, your credit card, that kind of thing. And then it has a back pocket. So really a pretty handy bag, especially for the price. I've been really binging all of these luxury designer handbag channels, and compared to the prices you see on those bags, $69 seems like a steal. And you can actually detach the strap, which is another nice feature. So it's got these little like lobster claws here. So you just hook that up, and it does have a swivel clasp, so that is very handy. And in case you also don't know, on my other channel, The Sewing Report, I do sew a lot of small items like bags, so I am pretty familiar with the construction of bags and what goes into making them because I've made them myself. But I'm not really into working with leather. That's kind of on a whole different level that I'm not really at. And the other thing I liked about this bag is that the closure is very easy. I'm a big fan of bags that are really easy to open and close. It's super easy. Again, this is called the Koroha Crossbody. Adjustable length strap, full grain leather, just a beautiful bag. And it came in this really nice little gift bag. So if you are gifting this, what a great presentation. I could see myself using this all the time. If you're just going out and about, you just need a few things. You're going to like a fall festival, that kind of thing. But I love this bag. I think it's super cute, and it's a great one to add to my collection. Another thing I want to talk about with the Love 41 Saddleback Leather Company. In full disclosure, I actually do know the founders of the company. I used to live in El Paso, Texas, and I actually kind of hung out with the guy who founded Saddleback Leather, Dave Munson. And while I knew him, he actually met and married his wife, Suzette. Suzette is the one that started Love 41. So Dave started Saddleback Leather back in the early 2000s, I believe. And when I knew him, he was selling these bags on eBay or out of like the back of his Land Cruiser, which is kind of a crazy story. You should check out the website. I'll link everything below. But the company's been doing great since then. And Dave and Suzette have really gone on to do wonderful things with their business and with helping people. So all of the profits from Love 41 actually go to charity. Not a portion, 100% of the profits. Where have you heard that? Because they make their money with Saddleback Leather, they decided to start this sister company that sells women's products and do everything for charity with that business. So I actually do own a Saddleback bag. I checked my old emails and I've had this bag since 2016. This is a discontinued model, but it's just a gorgeous bag, and I actually was eyeing up some of the other new bags. They have changed out the models and the styles over the years. I just conditioned this. It's beautiful. This is also in chestnut, and I really liked that this also had the claw clasp. A lot of the bags have the buckle closure, and while I think those are beautiful, I find they're a little bit less practical for me and not as easy. But Saddleback leather has really made a name for itself, and a lot of people love the briefcases. The briefcases look like something you would see out of an Indiana Jones movie. They look super cool. I think the marketing for Saddleback is genius. Dave goes to all these exotic places and gets photos and videos of the bags in these really unreal locales, so that's really awesome. But Saddleback is just an amazing company. The Saddleback bags all have a 100-year warranty. 100 years. You're probably not going to be alive that long. And the tagline for the company is, they'll fight, your kids will fight over it when you're dead, something like that. The Love 41 bags have a 41-year warranty. And that I find, though, just getting this open, this does have, it's not like the quality is any less. The quality seems awesome for this bag. It's got some rivets on it, great hardware. And for the price, where else are you gonna find a full grain leather bag for $69? I know, I just ordered some stuff from Louis Vuitton for kind of an experiment I'll be sharing here on the channel in the next few weeks. If you are looking for some fantastic quality leather goods and bags, I would highly recommend you check out Saddleback Leather and Love 41. Again, links are in the description below. And if there are any other companies with bags that you think I should try, let me know below in the comments. I'm Jen, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.